Hello everyone, I'm Ian Adamson, 7-time Adventure Race World Champion, and we're here at the 3rd annual Nature Island Challenge right here in the beautiful island of Dominica. We're on the dramatic Scots Head. It's the division between the Atlantic to the east and the Caribbean to the west. This year we have 2 teams each from the United States and Germany, and 1 team each from Trinidad and Tobago and Barbados. This course is going to traverse the first 2 sections of the Waitukubuli Trail. You guys excited? Yeah! You ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
Build a rock statue of some description.
A rock statue. It's got to be at least 6 rocks. It's got to stand up on its own.
Welcome to the second mini challenge of day 1, Perch.
I'm just going off my flight.
We were a little underprepared, I would say. The way we approached our fueling and our nutrition.
We were doing the river crossing and I slipped and rolled my ankle and hurt my ankle and the bottom of my foot, so it slowed us down extremely. Joe's a great motivator as a friend and a coach, and he didn't stay back and bait me. He'd run ahead a couple hundred feet, and you know, in my mind it'd be like, okay, I've just got to get to Joe. So
we just didn't realize like what was to come. In some ways, we just kind of fell apart, I think, mentally and physically. Very emotional, the tears just started flowing. And then I just reached the stage of just peace, and then I had to finish this challenge by myself.
You know, we have to endure some pain. We do what we have to do. It's necessary. Yeah, I mean, we came out here to do our best.
Naturally, the big 6'6" clumsy guy rolls his ankle 6 miles into it. Never quit anything in my life. Tell us what happened.
Oh. We thought there was a lot less than there actually was. I just felt like I had to finish. I had to finish.
we finished, we got to the paintball, and we took out the major challenge, and it just goes to show it's a long race, and we were sitting in 2nd place at the end of day 1 just by never giving up.